Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites. Make these changes now. First, connect both devices to the same Wi-Fi network so discovery works. Once done, update My TV firmware and open settings to enable wireless display or cast. This lets the TV accept incoming screens. Then on your phone or tablet, enable the screen mirroring or cast feature and grant any permission, prompts such as location or network access. This initial alignment makes the pairing fast and reliable when you search for the TV device. Now you perform the core pairing steps so the mirror session starts. On My TV, open the Cast app or navigate input to wireless display and make it discoverable. This tells your TV to scan. On your phone, select the My TV from the available devices and, if a code appears, accept it on the TV to confirm. Once connected, choose whether you want full-screen mirroring or audio-only casting, and adjust orientation and resolution on your source device to optimize clarity and performance. Finish by stabilizing and ending the session correctly so future connections are smooth. After starting playback or mirroring, stop background apps on your phone to minimize lag and lower the resolution if you notice stutter. This improves frame rate. If the TV and phone cannot discover each other, restart the router, rejoin the Wi-Fi, and toggle cast on both devices. If wireless mirroring still fails, use an HDMI adapter or a Chromecast dongle as a reliable fallback. This bypasses Wi-Fi issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.